We went from a 2-bed cottage with a very dodgy bathroom, cold, damp, to, I can't even describe it. It is like living in a dream. It really is. Like we sit here every evening and kind of go, wow, you know, look around you. It is amazing. Like we feel so lucky. My name is Fiona Devine. I'm originally from Navan, but now live in Tara, in County Meath. So initially we saw it online and went to go view it and thought that when we'd walk in that it would be a wreck and that it would be very intimidating. But actually, although it didn't feel like it was what we wanted in terms of just the old cottage, we knew that it could become something that we really wanted. SEAI supported us. It's a tangible amount that you get. It might seem like a couple of thousand in the grand scheme of what you spend, but actually that's the difference between your appliances in your kitchen or, something that at the end of it you can say, well, that grant bought me this, or meant that we could upgrade to better insulation or a better boiler, or, something tangible. Couldn't be happier. It's really made such a difference to our lives. You wake up in the morning, come down to the kitchen and still pinch yourself, that this is yours, so it's amazing, yeah.